Hey everyone, welcome back. There's a lot of stuff's been done to the car that I haven't put in the video, so let's go ahead and do that right now. As you can tell, everything that was in fiberglass and filler is now got primer on it. Of course, everything under the hood, from sanding, putting body kits on everything had to be sanded all back down, and everything under here reshot. Of course, everything under here has been fully sandblasted, sealed, and painted. Here's the hood. It's all been shot, painted, everything under here. So it'll just be able to flip it right over, sit onto the car, tape everything up under the hood. It's been painted, and start getting the body all prepped for the sealer, getting the trimmed out on the glass, get the glass in, the stripes, get everything taped up for paint. So hood's done. Everything's done underneath the hood here. Of course, just getting all the wiring put back where it needs to be, getting the strut tire braces on, and getting everything checked out, make sure everything's done under here, getting the other rubber bumper on for the hood pins. Of course, you see that's been deleted because these cars get hood pins. They don't need latches. Ain't gonna take none of that off because it's still wet, but as you can see, the body kit is on now. Of course, it's a little bit dusty from sanding underneath the hood. But everything is put into place where it needs to be on the quarters. The deck lid, of course, sitting right there. It's already been trimmed out on the bottom, and it's already been wiped to match the quarter extensions. See those flares is all molded in. Over here, you can see the front body kit is wiped to the body of the car so that it fits perfect. But you can see the flares, they're edged real nice so they don't smooth up rounded like a lot of people do. It's curved real nice and sharp so that you got that bigger detail in the body. You've got a lot of people that will wipe this right here solid. Well, that right there gives it that original line to characterize this right here as a second kit. And you got that seam sealer goes through there, your side scoop, that lower section, your upper scoop molded. And of course, this car, if you remember, we picked it up. It was a coupe. Going to keep the coupe interior. So of course, this is all dusty. But this is that package tray from going from keeping the coupe back seats to the fastback rear section here on the trim panel. So you get this nice look through the back glass. And you got that solid panel right there as well. It's painted to match. And all this is going to be painted to match the car, just like everything under the hood's color to match. Now, let's see the wheels. Okay, a little hard to see, but right there are the wheels that's going to be going on the cars, and this is the spinners right here. But there's the wheels that'll be going on this one. A little bit different than the styles, the two styles that I bought that's sitting in there for the other car, the body swap. Coming to the channel very soon is going to be this car, this 66. And although it is perfect solid car, it's going to be top cut off and set down on something else. There's the quarter panels for that 66 sitting in there. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I know it's a little bit of a short video, but there's been a lot that's been done going on over here. On my body swap car, I got some spacers, some billet spacers made for the rear because the body swap is going to be a different height on the quarter panel. Openings are a little bit different, so I had those custom made for me for the back so my coilovers fit real nice. But all that's going to be coming up pretty soon as well. But here's a quick video on the update of that coupe to fastback 1968 Ford Mustang, converted, getting everything finished up on it. And the next video of this car is going to be getting it pretty much in sealer, and the hood will be on. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and you'll be the first to get the video as soon as it's uploaded. Catch you on the next video.